climb inside the 2012 Hyundai Genesis. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.